Hello. So the weather forecast for the Bay Area here in San Francisco, California is that 110, 108, 106, 106. That's going to kill me. I can't take that kind of heat for very long. But every year it's been getting hotter and hotter. And the UN has come out yesterday with a warning saying that because of the Pakistani floods and the heat waves and the droughts, that we're sleepwalking right into oblivion, that we better wake up and do something about climate change. Do you think anybody will do anything, no matter what the warning is? Now, on my last video, I talked about the recycling of toilet to tap water that the cities around the world are planning on doing. A lot of people said, well, water's been recycled many times, billions of times, but the way nature recycles water is a lot differently than the way humans do it. Nature does it with evaporation, and when the water molecule evaporates, it only evaporates with water, not with anything that it was in. Just the molecule itself evaporates, so it's completely clean, and that's how nature recycles water. Yeah, our water came from probably 3 or 4 suns before our sun was ever around. So water has been here since the beginning of time and is recycled and evaporated. So the very water that was falling when the dinosaurs was there is here now today. But humans don't use evaporation for cleaning their water. Melting of the Greenland ice sheet poised to trigger almost a foot of sea level rise, a new study has shown. If the world halted planetary heating pollutants today, the ice sheet would lose more than 3% of its mass in the coming decades, scientists warn. Immediate climate action is needed. So many warnings. Even if the world stopped emitting greenhouse gases, the Greenland ice sheet is set to lose 3.3%, or 110 trillion tons of ice. That is a foot in global sea level rise by 2100. The world should immediately and robustly start climate action now, experts stress. Without it, the life-threatening situation confronting humanity is destined to grow far deadlier in the near future. The U.S. coastline will rise by an average of 10 to 12 inches by 2050. By mid-century, 150 million people worldwide could be displaced from their homes just by rising sea levels alone. And let's not forget, all that, those buildings and houses and all that will be underwater and will be polluting the water and the oceans even worse. Because it'll probably come up pretty quickly now that this amount of heating is taking place all over the globe. I don't know where you are. You can tell in the discussion area. How hot is it getting where you live? Are you guys suffering through excessive heat? Well, we're sure expected to here in the next, starting tomorrow, all the way through Labor Day, which is Monday. We're supposed to have extreme heat and heat warnings all over the Bay Area. We've been lucky. We've had a lot of fog this year because of the La Nina. That causes us to get a lot of coastal fog. Hopefully the fog will come in the morning and come in the evening each day, so it'll cool off at night, because it's really hard to sleep at 110 degrees. But we've had to do it before, and I suspect we'll have to do it again. Shortly, it'll be so important that we take care of climate that it will outpace even all the wars in the world. We'll spend more time and more effort trying to deal with climate change, but by that time, won't it be too late? Wouldn't it be easier to try to save the planet now? So, all your comments are appreciated down in the comment section. Your ups, your new subscribers, and tell me what your weather's been like. And let's see what the planet looks like these days.